Welcome to Kitchen Tips. So because this is episode 1, we are going to do 2 kitchen tips, and it's going to be more of a long form. Usually this would be a short and we'd do 1 kitchen tip. However, episode 1, today we're going to do 2. Sort of roughly around the same sort of thing though. So kitchen tip number 1. When buying steak. So you're cooking steak on Saturday evening. So buy the steak on Thursday. Buy it, take it out of its packaging onto a plate, and then put it in the fridge. Let it sit for a couple of days so it dries out. Bring it out, tap it dry with a bit of kitchen cloth, kitchen roll, and then leave it to get to just about room temperature, then pan fry it. Perfect. Second tip, same sort of thing. When you are cooking meat, fish, anything like that, bring it out of the fridge, pat it dry with kitchen roll. That way all of the moisture is taken away, and when you put it into that hot pan and sear it, that's exactly what it's doing. It's not cooking that damp fluid first, it's actually going for searing the skin, the meat, whatever. That's what you're then cooking, and you're going to get a much better sear and a much better flavour from it. So that is your 2 tips on Kitchen Tips with Don the Cuisine. Do me a favour, head over or stay on the channel, just push subscribe and the little belly thing, because we've got loads more tips to follow. Well, I think we're going to be bringing them out twice a week. Great kitchen tips, great reviews of kitchen kit for professional and domestic, and professional that can be used in domestic. So don't delay, hang out here today. I have not a clue where that came from. That is full on pony. Have a great day.